This video is really about me and my brethren spending a day up in the Matura, Toco area. I just wanted to bring you along because Toco life is a sweet life and they have so much vibes up there. Very casual, so it's just a chill video, but I hope you come along and enjoy. We might take a dip in the river, we might buy some fruit, take a lime, you never know. Blessings, and I hope you visit Toco, the Matura area and everything that they have up here in the near future. A truly beautiful part of Trinidad and Tobago, so let's go and check it out. So my partner, name is Selena, you say?
Yeah.
Look at me there, let me see your smile. So a nice fruit stand. And I want to get my partner tasting that Kashima, you never see it before. Right, David, so this is your first Kashima.
Right.
Yeah? So you're holding it upside down just like that.
Like this, right?
Yeah, very nice. And you're peeling it from the top. Yeah? I'll let you figure it out, it's not rocket science, so you can go ahead.
Oh, it smells amazing already.
Yeah.
Peel the whole thing or you just
Well, you can peel it, or you can peel the top and eat it, or you can peel the whole thing one time. So,
it smells good.
definitely does. Alright, so take a nice big bite there and tell us how you're looking.
You have any more that good cut today? That's a little better than this.
Whoa.
So you're kind of sucking it while it's in your mouth, while you're eating the
Soursop.
seeds.
With a hint of cocoa. Yeah, it's very, very tasty.
Yeah.
Whoa, I love it.
First time for everything, eh?
Whoa.
Let me get a look at it. Hold it out for me, David. Wow.
I wonder if I could plow on this Tobago, boy.
Yeah, I'm sure you could. Alright, Selena, thank you for talking to me. So you running this little shop here. What area we is?
Kumana.
This is Kumana in Toco?
This is Wayama. Kumana a little further, but yeah, you're in Toco.
Okay, very, very nice. And you out every day?
Every day, yeah. Just for the summer, there's like a summer job until I'm waiting on CXC results.
Okay, nice, nice. So it's like your side hustle for the summer, earn a
Yeah.
little cash. Nice, so I'll tell people every week come and check Selena for the best fruit in the whole of Kumana. Is that true?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's pick up good sales. People always come back, regular customers.
Okay, very nice. Well, thank you very much for that. You're very brave.
Thank you.
Next step is Hollywood, right?
Another brave.
Fair enough. Thank you very
Yeah,
much.
thank you.
So this is Missions Bay, and on a clear day you can see Tobago from right here. Today it's kind of hazy, so it's hard to see.
one of your favorite things about Toco? Oh Lord.
Yes.
Pelt him, get rid of him, get rid of him.
Yeah, back to it. Yeah.
Yes. So again, what's one of your favorite things about Toco? Being up on
Toco
Matura?
is well, basically the scenery and well, the village life and everybody, you know. It's different than the city life, you know. Everything's like real nice and chill.
Nice. So
Yeah.
bless up.
They go down to the river now.
Yeah, we're going down. So David, what about you? What's your favorite thing about Toco, even though you only now getting to know it?
Yeah, it's actually my second time here. Just driving around you guys, seeing the coastline, all the rocks, the vegetation, you know, the beauty of the landscape around here, the nature, hearing bird song every second of the day. You know, this place is paradise. I mean, just look at it.
Yes.
So I'm really, really loving Toco and the area around here. And I'd like to come and do this a lot more.
Nice. My boy Robin here. Robin, what are you eating there?
Some cherry.
Fresh out of the Toco trees.
Yeah.
Looking delicious. So I asked everybody, I'm going to ask you, what's your favorite thing about this side, Matura, Toco, them kind of thing?
I know I love the peace and quiet, the fresh air, the fresh fruits,
Yeah.
and you know, some of the best times of my life was up here, you know, coming up Toco all the time. The scenic views is amazing, the beaches, that's, you know, really, really nice. And man, everything about Toco. Toco
Nice.
is me.
I hear that, I hear that. Well, let me go and vibes in the river.
Cheers.
Yeah.
I can't stand. Cheers! Nope. You stand here, but not there.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this beautiful little trip for the day to Matura. Again, Trinidad and Tobago is full of exploration and I intend to document as much of it as possible. So look forward to next week's vlog. Much more from Toco, Manzanilla, South, Central, West, North, Tobago. We had to do everything until everybody truly loves and appreciates this country. Until next time, keep it clean, explore your country, big up. And don't forget to book your Island Girl and Trini Surfer Tobago experience. Coming to Trinidad soon. Respect.
Cada día doy las gracias a esta vida. Cada día me nace nueva melodía. Yo sabía que algún día llegaría. Qué alegría pasar el tiempo a tu lado.